Hey, fifth grade. Today we are talking about income. Income is a great thing. Income is your money that you make from your job or any money that you earn. It's always fun when it's payday. And today we are going to talk about the two different kinds of income that you receive. So, you work at a job that is $16 an hour. You work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. And the paycheck that you're getting today is for 2 weeks worth of work. So how much are you going to get? Well, if you work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., how many hours is that per day? If you said 8 hours, you would be correct. How are we going to calculate how much money you earn? Well, if you earn $16 per hour and you earn $8 a day, you could calculate how much money you work per day by multiplying 16 times 8. And then, of course, we didn't just work one day, did we? How many days did we work? 14 days. So what is the total amount of money you're going to make? Press pause right now on the video and calculate it, and then come back. Well, let's see if you got the correct answer. Did you get $1,120? Good. Well, this is your paycheck, or I guess Samantha's paycheck. And Samantha earned the exact same amount as you did, $1,120. But the amount that was deposited into her bank account was only $824.09. Where did the rest of Samantha's money go? Well, Samantha's money went to taxes. We will learn more about it tomorrow, but the government takes out taxes from your income. Thankfully, the state of Texas does not take out a state income tax. They tax you in a different way. But most states do have an income tax. And so the different kinds of taxes that will be taken out is money from the government, from the federal government, that's from the whole United States. Everyone in the United States has to pay it. Social Security, some healthcare related taxes, some things like that will be taken out. And so that is why Samantha's paycheck is less than $1,120. So let's take a look at the two different kinds of incomes. We're going to scroll through here. We're going to talk about those taxes tomorrow. Okay, gross pay or gross income. Gross income is the amount you are paid before taxes are taken out. So this is Samantha's gross income, how much she actually earned before taxes. Net income is the amount you are paid after taxes are taken out. So this is all the money you actually get to take home. That's your net income. So those are the two definitions we must understand today. Gross income, what you get paid before taxes are taken out, and net income, the actual amount of money you get to take home because your taxes have already been taken out. How can we remember these two things? Well, when you're, I kind of tell my friends in class that a net catches everything at the bottom, right? If you think about a tightrope walker, the net is at the bottom to help catch them if they fall. Well, the net is down at the bottom and it's everything you get to take home. So the net catches everything. It's down at the bottom. It is after the income tax have been taken out, it's what falls down at the bottom. So what you actually get to take home. So you're going to do an activity that goes over your your gross income. You're going to calculate what your gross income is. And that's just like we did previously We multiplied the amount we get paid per hour by the number of hours you work. You're going to calculate all of the taxes that get taken out, and then you're going to calculate the net income, which is your gross income minus your taxes.